Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a special day and I am going to meet one of my old friend. We are so busy in our lives that we don't find time for each other. So I would request you all to find time for your friends who are valuable in your life.
Let's quickly begin.
Out of the shower and my hairs are wet. So I'll prep my skin first and later on I'll decide something to do with my hair. So I go natural as much as possible. I don't use a hair dryer on my hair because it's totally damaged. I just have prepped my skin with a light moisturizer. Now is the time for my sunscreen. As you already know that I only use this one. It's from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer, so I'll put on my face before doing any makeup. After moisturizer, I usually like to put on this sunscreen. I'll just quickly do it. This won't be a full face makeup, just a light one. So this is the Fit Me from Maybelline. I use this in my shade 115 foundation with clay. So I'm going to go with it. And usually when it's not the heavy makeup, I do like to go with my hands. So today's the day. I'm in time crunch and I'll do the same. It didn't settle for 2 minutes and I think my hands are not enough. So I'm brushing it down to make it even. So I'm going to use this again from Maybelline for eyeliner, and I'm really a person who likes a full eyeliner. So I already put this one. Now it's time for my left eye. I'm going to use again from Maybelline Hyper Curl to curl my eyelashes. I really like the Maybelline products. They are affordable and they have a high quality also. So this one. It's time for my face. So I'm going to use this My Glam face kit. It's very handy. I feel it is handy. Can you see this one? Now I am going with highlighter. I think my blush looks okay. It will take some time to, settle on my face. Here. Now goes here. One more here. Now time to blend. Now to shape my face, I'm going to take this neutralizer.
It has good pigmentation. All in one product. It got two blushes, one neutralizer and one more highlighter. It is available at their site and you can choose from there which kind of face palette you want with which highlighter.
So my face is done. Now it's time for my lips. For my lips, I have already prepped it up with some lip moisturizer. Again, I'm doing a little bit so it won't dry. I am using this for my lips, Maybelline again, in the shade 80, which is Ruler. I won't go with all lip liner today, just this. It's a beautiful color. Generally, if you don't eat any oily foods, it is going to stay for 24 hours. Trust me guys, this one is too good on pocket, too good to buy if you are looking for a reliable lipstick. So I'm all done. As my hair is wet, so I'm going to leave it like that only. Already look beautiful. Now it's the time that I choose something for my ears, and today I'm going to go a little bit funkier side. I have two earrings with me. This one. Can you guys choose between these two? These are a little funkier rather than this. So these are going viral. I bought it from Meesho. It's the cherry earrings. I think you will get it for like under 150 rupees. If you want these earrings, you can go to Meesho and buy it. I really liked it, and it's my first time wearing it. I think it matches my outfit. Ta-da! I'm ready. I'm just going to leave my hair like this until it dries up. I have long hairs. Whole look. These are the cherry earrings and with my matching lipstick, and let's see how my outfit looks. This is how my outfit looks. This is the full look. This is a long gown. I am not able to show you. See my whole look here. I'm ready. The perfume, I'm going to go with this. This is Engage Fantasia. It's really a nice fragrance, and also it is worn in night, but I like this perfume so much. It's subtle, it's not too strong, that I also wear it in.
I am heading towards my destination. I hope you come back for the second part. I'm hoping that you like my videos. Please do like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. Until I come with a new video, please do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye.